Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your Airbnb host Lee here, and I figured since earlier I made this video right here showing my actual guests detailed information about the home, I should go ahead and make another video showing prospective guests a quick tour of the home and some things to do in the area. So that's what we're going to do, and let's get into it right now. So here's a little view of the front of the home. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. I feel like this house fits 2 people very comfortably, but anything over 4 people it's going to feel really crowded. And let's go ahead and walk inside. So this is the kitchen area when you first walk in. Nice look at the living room and fireplace with the wood burning stove. And here's the bedroom with the electric fireplace. And remote controls for it as well. Bathroom. So let's take a look at the things to do in the area, and right down the street is the El Mexicano, the only restaurant in town, and the food is great. And if you go down the road probably another 20 to 30 seconds, it's the Momure Creek Trail here, and you'll see this fencing here, and you just pull into this open area. Little side note, if you come here during the winter time and it's snowing, this parking lot is great for a snowball fight. Plenty of space. In the video I'm only going to show this trail right here, but there's another video I'm going to link in the description below, the 10 best trails in Forest Falls, and you guys can check that out and see all the different trails there are, because there's a lot. So other places to note in the area, probably another 15 minutes away, is Oak Glen. They have a little downtown area, a few little trails, and tons of shops, and my favorite, apple pie. And maybe just about 20 minutes away is Jinx Lake. Here's Big Bear, which is about 30-35 minutes away up the mountain. And then here we have Palm Springs, which is about 45 minutes away, and so is Palm Desert. Both places have long strips with tons of shops and good food, some good eating over there, especially if you're a foodie. So definitely check all that out, look it up, and like I said, I'll also post a lot of information here in the description of this video. And thanks for checking it out, guys. If you're interested, go ahead and click the link below. It'll take you to the Airbnb site where you can reserve yourself a date, and I'll check you guys later. Have a good one.